Alright everybody, welcome back. Remember, there's a link to the video description below to the website where you can find kits like this, all my other kits, all the prices, all the options. Alright, so everybody always asks that. There's a link in the video description. You guys can go to the website, see all the prices, options, you name it. This is a triple eyebrow kit for Rupert's Slingshot. So the rim lights I showed you in another video, this is the triple eyebrow kit that's going along with it. So I just wanted to show this off real quick. The long strips, of course, is the ones that go up by the hood. Your short strips go right up under the headlight assembly, and then these two in the middle length strips go on the very bottom bumper. So again, as you can see, we're going through the testing phase here, making sure everything works, making sure everything cycles through all the colors, no dead pixels, you name it. Everything is good to go, so we're going to get ready to wrap these up and get them out. So they got your 3M on the back. These will go out with adhesion promoter. Other than that, that's pretty much it for these. So stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.